individuals in our community that are in need. And that's what makes me so proud, is that the City of Tampa employees are willing to stand up and help those in need. And this is just an incredible example of how wonderful our City of Tampa family is. You know, our city is such a diverse city, and it's what makes us wonderful. And so we will be delivering these gifts and food baskets to a variety of families throughout the City of Tampa. It may be a little difficult to ask for help in these situations, but you know, we've all been in situations where we needed a helping hand, and that's what we're here to do, is just to help everyone have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season.